Him and I. All right, we got the saw. We're going to go out in the woods and we're going to cut down a little piece of log so we can have it for our thing. Why'd you cut yourself? Yeah, you are. Holy cow, I'm tired. Yep, now we're going to make some stairs out of wood. We're going to take this up to the woodworking shop and start doing some other stuff to it. Using a hand saw to cut this thing down. What we're going to do now is take it over here. And we're going to cut a nice flat piece for it. So stand back. All right. Make quick work of that. We'll do it a couple of minutes. Dog ready. Really into that. I'd say we're getting there. Got a lot done. We're gonna carve out some of that. Alright, so we got some dowel here, angles here, and what we're going to do is we're going to drill some holes and make some stairs going up. So we'll drill some holes with the Forstner bits again, and we'll do it here, here, and that way the Leprechaun can walk up there. Like this. Yep, so I'm cutting these at 3 inches, and then we'll drill in 1 inch, and that will be 2 inches for the Leprechaun to climb up. So that's what we'll do now. Alright, so 5/8 is the winner. Alright, so we drilled that in there, and then we're going to put, let's see if this fits. Awesome. Look at that. That's going to fit tight and nice. So this is going to do, we're just going to do a stair step around here. So, spinning. Awesome. Take these over to the sander and just kind of knock off the edges a little bit. See how they're a little. So, knock down the edges. And I also put a little bit of flat spot there so the Leprechaun can get some traction and slide off the pole.
And paint these.
What are those? Stairs?
Stairs.
Yep. What color are we painting them?
Golden.
Golden glitter, I think we got here. So.
Would you have to wait a while or it'd be golden?
Okay, let's see it. Let's just dump out a whole bunch.
No, it's a little bit.
So here's what we got here. Is the Trusted Quality Extreme Glitter Gold Superior Coverage. So we'll see what happens. That dry and go wash our hands. Alright, YouTube, we are back. We have painted our things and we went and got some twigs for our thing. You want to show them the stairs? Alright, they're still drying, but I think they're looking pretty good, don't you? Yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole and have it there and then have a piece of stuff hanging down. So what we're going to do is try to find maybe a good thing. So, the sparkles are awesome.
The sparkles are better in you, Cam.
So.
I got you. Welcome to
Him and I. All right. Welcome back. See if we can get the camera moved a little bit. So, we went to the dollar store, got a bunch of cool, awesome little knickknacks. We got a ball that we're going to put some stuff into. That's outstanding. We got some moss. I think we're going to take the leaf off. So. Okay, we got the hot glue gun getting over here. Getting hot. We got the welcome sign. So we'll put some...
to trap. Oh,
okay, so now we got the bottom pretty much well done. Alright, we're gonna wrap it. Here we are using the Cricut. Got some gold paper there and a pretty rainbow. So I cut this thing, Nicole cut this thing out with the Cricut. We did double-sided. And then I added some